first thing we're gonna do is remove the shoelace. First thing we're gonna do is remove the shoelace and pop open our rejuvenator canister to get our shoe trees out. I'm just gonna have a shoe tree out already. And these are back to factory. These are back to beautiful condition. Just a quick recap on what I did. I gave these shoes a full proper deep clean using Rejuvenator Street Brush Single Laundry System and our detergent. I'm supposed to say, gave these shoes a proper deep clean. Or buying Rejuvenator products. I appreciate all you guys, truly. Back to today's video. Okay. I truly appreciate you guys all. Back to the shoes. Redoing the soles and some areas on the uppers. I forgot what I was gonna say. First thing we gotta do is squirt some squirts of our Rejuvenator solution in our Rejuvenator glass soap bowl. Welcome to a new episode of Restoration with Vic. Today, the soles are I don't even know why I talked about the soles. All right, but they look great. I did not touch the tongue just because there was no scuffs or scratches on that area, and we want to leave these shoes as close to factory. The tabs need to be redone. The shoe just needed a lot of work. We're back. Soles are fully deoxidized. Look really good. I put them in the indoor setup for about 3 hours on each, about 4 days straight. We're gonna be repainting it, but the next thing we're gonna do is repaint the leather. All we gotta do now before we lace the shoes up is sole shields are applied. The last thing we're gonna do before we these things are doo-doo. I don't even want to talk about these. White leather is all done. Got the tape off. I did a really good job. White leather is all done. Did a really good. So the 23 is done now. The gray it was before, but I think it looks a lot better. I know it's almost the same shade of gray as it was. I know what you say right now. All these products you see right here at rejuvenator.com, and how to find out my promo code and this to find make sure to check out the description below. For this cleaning, we're going to be using Rejuvenator Street Brush. To get started on this project, the first thing you're going to do, squirt some squirts. Shoes are pretty much done. Before we get all done with the sit bristle brush, there's still a lot of deep stains on the on the white pod. All done with the sit bristle brush, there is a lot of deep stains on the white pod of the sole. So we're gonna all done with the sit bristle brush. There's still a lot of deep stains in the soles. All right, YouTube, we made it to the end of this restoration on deep stains, dirt, grime from years of wear. What I did in this restoration was give them a full, proper deep clean, inside and out from years. I didn't say that. Give me a second. Come on. The giveaways on this channel, jam-packed in the description. You can find all these products you see right here at rejuvenator.com. Shoe is fully pre-treated. Before we put the shoe into the single laundry bag, as Johnny would say, cue the intro, bro. We'll take care of that later. Now we're gonna go ahead and lay down the rest of the black through the airbrush. This black strip's done. Now the next thing we're gonna do is finish off the rest of the black strip's done on the toe cap. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of the sole by airbrushing the black onto this area. Toe cap's completely done. Now the next thing we're gonna do is finish off the sole by airbrushing the black onto the sole. It's repetitive. Toe cap's completely done, looks really good. Now we're gonna finish off the sole by airbrushing the black. Toe cap's completely done, looks really good. Now we're gonna finish off the sole by airbrushing the black. Also, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. We'll be announcing last week's giveaway winner. We got a lot of work ahead of us. I think he's about to walk out any second.